Alright. Hello, hello. Well, I still want music on. I just need it to be lower. Come on. Alright, fine. You wanna play hardball? Fine. The sound levels on this computer is so fucking insane because, like, in order to have this as at a volume that I can listen to while still talking, I have to have the YouTube video on, well, the YouTube video stream, whichever one it is, I have to have it at the lowest possible setting, like barely, like it's one tick off of mute, and then my master volume is at 15. Like, if I put both of them at max volume, I could probably hear it through my headphones in the next room. It's honestly kind of insane. But hey, how's it going? I have been struggling with streaming for the past while. Part of that is because I've been working more. Hold on, let me pull up a browser so I can actually show stuff. Alright. Okay, so let's see how this programming thing works. Okay, cool. I can still see it perfectly fine. But I like my new background, by the way. It's nice and calming. But so GitHub. This is all just publicly available stuff. I've been working. So I mentioned last stream how I handled GitHub before, and it was just like I'd do work, and at the end of the day I'd push it to the respective repository. Oh my fucking god. It always happens. I start streaming and then people start talking. I really hope that you can't hear that. Alright, I'm testing to see if it's audible. Okay, it seems like you can hear that it's happening. You can hear that somebody in the background is talking, but you can't hear what they're saying. Maybe you could make out like one or two words, but I just don't understand why they have to talk so loud. But anyway. What was I saying? Oh yeah, how I used to handle GitHub and contributions and whatnot was at the end of the day I just push all of the work I had done on that day, and for a while that was fine, and then for a while I just got tired of it and just worked whenever. But recently, basically starting the 13th, I started a new, well, it kind of, did it start here? Yes, it technically started on the 7th, but I kind of started slowly. How I do it now is basically essentially how it's supposed to be done, but I just didn't know, because I learn a lot of the stuff I do about programming and stuff by trial and error. Sorry. I was just ripping a piece of paper off of my notepad. So now I have a blank sheet. But yeah. The idea is so I can get more, like, I feel my work more. Like, because you can look at this and be like, okay, look at all these, you can see my most productive days. Like, yesterday I didn't do more, but it was mostly because I just didn't commit anything in between finishing stuff. So I ended up not, like, doing stuff. Not having as many. And I had 2 today because I was just cleaning stuff up from another project this morning. The plan is, though, to keep doing this, and I'm going to try and keep on this. And it's been distracting me from streaming while I've gotten into a groove of doing this kind of stuff. I'm entirely going to get back into streaming, and that's going to start today by getting back into Anbray, formerly Anbray. Now it's FanGS, at least for now. Because Anbray, my main problem with Anbray is Anbray was, well, I don't know the word. It's a mixture of Anbenar and Raylib. I don't like that because that makes me uncomfortable. Makes me uncomfortable having the name of somebody else's work in my thing and then what it's made in. I don't know. I think that having the name of the engine of your game in the name of your game is extremely lazy, personally. Like, I don't know. It's just a personal thing. Yeah, it's just a personal thing. But I started working on it, and then I realized that I wasn't as experienced with I wasn't experienced enough with Odin to, like, fully plan everything out. I needed to get more experience in it, so I started working on other stuff. I started working on a game, Monbad. It's Monster Battler. It's a roguelite Monster Battler game. Working on it with Sour. Working on it with Sour. So I've been using that to learn and get more used to how Odin works in a lot of ways. So this work you see here from last month and 2 months ago is not going to be part of the project. In fact, I'm going to look at all those deletions. There we go. This is a fresh start. I don't know what the I wrote all this stuff, and I wrote this just to make sure to cover my bases and stuff. FanGS stands for Fantasy Grand Strategy. It's a lot more straightforward of a title than Anbray. I do actually want to... Ooh, I didn't save that. It doesn't matter. I do want to... Oops. There. Put that in there just to make sure that it's... I don't know how this is going to look, but it's fine. It doesn't really matter. Yeah. I wanted to get back into... The original plan was to work on this off screen and then come back and do it and continue where I left off, but I realized recently that that kind of goes in the face of everything that this project has been so far. Because, like, the main thing with this project has been, it is a game that I have made entirely during stream. Or if it isn't on stream, it was recorded and it can be uploaded. Now, I want to keep up with that. So, yeah. I want to, let's see if I can get this there. Okay, so that means all this space is, thing. Alright, cool. But yeah. It kind of just goes against everything that this project has been. So I wanted to start from scratch with my new knowledge of this language, and with the experience of having worked on Anbray for so long. I got a little bit of a boilerplate set up. I have start set up, right? Yeah, remedy. Okay, cool. Okay, let's do start then. All right. Move that over here so that you can see. Ooh. Fun. Fuck. What is the problem then? Oh, I know what the fucking problem is. I'm stupid is what the problem is. Oops. Oops. There we go. I'm stupid. Alright. So, we got that. I'm actually going to move, Remedy over to this side. Unless I need to show it, I don't think I'm going to. Mostly because, like, I started up and it pops up here anyway. Okay. So, where I wanted to start... where I want to start with this was... it's not that I don't know what I wanted to do. It's that... Why does it say updating blank? Update. Yeah. It's not that I don't know what I'm going to do, it's I don't know how to say it. For starters, I think getting a settings system up and running would be good. I don't need like a menu or anything like that yet, but having a settings like file that can be loaded rather than hard coding variables, so that during the project all of the like options, anything that would be a setting, can be already pre-put in and be changed a lot quicker and a lot more understandably. At least to me. So I'm going to start with that, and that's going to be the first goal. And this allows me to show how Odin works. Oops, I did not mean to close that. Alright, so first of all, package main. Odin works on a package system. So it separates code into folders. One way of doing it, like having it like this, where main and settings are the same thing, having them in the same package, that's just how it works. But raylib over here, like I have raylib.odin for bindings to raylib. It's in package raylib, which means I need to import it every single time on every single file. So I'm going to be trying something. I don't know if it's going to, how well it's going to work, because I haven't had a chance to try this in Monbat or anything like that. But I've been thinking about it for a little bit, and I want to see if it'll actually be useful. It's not going to be happening yet, because I don't think settings is going to be that complicated. That, actually, yeah, I don't think settings is going to be complicated enough that I'm going to need that. I just have a template that I copy and paste. Because I'm simple like that. You know what, something I just realized, I don't actually have a chat on this thing, because this was before I got a chat up and running. Is it chat browser? Yes, it is. Now, actually, that brings up a good question. I could have my entire monitor shown and just have the chat at the bottom. I can worry about that later. I can play around with that some other time. I was going to do it this earlier. I was going to like make sure everything was fine before I started. That's so weird. I'm sorry, I just noticed on stream my mouse cursor is black. Like the yeah, that's weird. That is not what it looks like on my screen. Huh. Anyway, sorry. Train of thought. I'm easily distracted. I can mess with that after stream. But yeah. Structures. So, creating a structure. Alright. Now, important things, at least for right now. 1, space these out. 2, put that. There we go. Save. Alright. Setting storage. So, first 2 settings that are necessary right now is just window height, window width. I could have them on the same line, but eh. Now the question is, what size? U16. Actually, I32. I'm pretty sure that's what... I can easily look up stuff here. Init window. I32. Alright. I'll just do I32 because that is what the input is for those functions are. That function is. I need to, it's a major problem I have when working on games nowadays. I focus too hard on keeping storage as low as possible when it doesn't really fucking matter. I can always worry about decreasing sizes later on if it becomes a problem. But right now it's not important. So yeah, for those who know nothing about Odin and/or programming, it doesn't really matter. You could be watching my stream and not know any programming. You could just like listening to my voice. So it's weird how programming paradigms shift. Like in the old days of C#, you would have things like bool name, and then that would be how you create a variable, and then you would have equals false. And then it shifted, and now modern languages like this, and unless I'm mistaken, I say modern languages, but I'm pretty sure it's just a very new thing, because I'm pretty sure Rust also does the exact same thing. I would love to be able to just see code. Oh, thank you. Where can I have a example? Can I have an can I have no give ooh, I don't want. I guess I can just fucking pool name pool. Is this not how it works in... Maybe I'm just spewing shit. I don't actually use Rust. I like how I'm so easily distracted. Oh yeah, no, this... Yeah, no. That's not how Rust works. I'm just stupid. Oh no, wait, it is. I'm less stupid. Alright. So this is like C, C Sharp, C++, and this is Rust. Yeah, that's Rust. So, and then this is Odin, which just gets rid of the let keyword. I don't know. I think it has to do with I don't know why let is a keyword. I don't know why people I've never attempted even to think about making a programming language, so it's not my cup of tea. That's a lot of work, and my brain is too small for that. But let's just do simple things. So, and this is how you call to create a function. All right. So we have the name of the function. This actually does do more than just separate things. If I open up the Odin documentation, overview, not that. It allows you to do, what is it called? Change the what's it called? Fuck. It's like hold on. Where is it? I'm sorry. I get on tangents a lot. It's because I want to explain things properly. And I feel like if I don't explain, then I'm just leaving people in the dark. Rational, Odin types, untyped, C-string, matrix, enumerations, bit set structs, unions, Calling conventions. That's what it's called. Calling conventions. Okay, so does that mean... Oh, yeah. But yeah. Calling conventions. You can put the calling conventions in there, and it changes how it interacts with the... how the compiler interacts with it. There's different ways, but it doesn't really matter. It just does something that is much more in-depth than I can describe, really. This just defines it as a procedure. You can put in your variable inputs, and then return values are set like this. And now this is a really cool function of Odin, and I don't know of any programming language that also does this. I don't know of them. It doesn't mean they don't exist. Now, I could do this, where you input a bool, you get out a bool. But you can also do this, where you input a bool and get out a bool and a number. You can have multiple returns in Odin, and how you would handle multiple returns, because normally you have like init settings. Like if it was just the bool version, you would have like init settings true, and it would be like bool 2 electric boolaloo, and you would have something like this. Or with Odin there's also this, where it just implicitly, like, this returns as a bool, so this is a bool. But it also means you can do stuff like this. Where you're declaring two variables, and both of them are getting output by this function. And it's so, like, I've thought about how that works, because I programmed with assembly for a while, and I still like assembly. I still like using it, but it's very difficult to use on its own nowadays. I've moved down to just using it for like Game Boy stuff and retro computer stuff. But that's something you can do in assembly, because how calling conventions work is essentially, you can think of it like you have registers. Oh wow, what the fuck? Reg 1, Reg 2. Wow, I do not know how to spell. Reg 3. So you have these registers. If I called this function, it would put the bool here, and then when it was done, the results would be here, basically. So we would have the input, and here you would have the output. And the main question I always had when working in assembly language is, why limit it like that? Why have only one output when you could literally have any register be an output? And it's mostly probably, if I were to guess, I haven't like researched into it, it's probably has to do with standardizing things so that different programs, different different libraries interact fine with each other. But at the end of the day, all that matters is things getting done efficiently. But yeah, whatever. I long tangent over. I'm sorry. Let's edit these settings though. Alright, so the first thing, obviously, is we need to get... Let's first open up data, new file. settings.bin. I have things to open bin, don't I? No, I don't. Do I not have? Do I not have hex editor? No, I do. Why was it? Oh, there. Open with text editor. That's what it was. There it is. For some reason you can't add to. I need to get HXD. All right. So, first of all, we need to get just a bunch of zeros. Let's just put it up to 16. Now, for the basic, so using this structure like this, a 32-bit signed integer, which is a waste of space because you're not gonna have negative screen resolution, but whatever. 1280, and then 720. That's the right resolution, right? I'm pretty sure. Save. Alright. So, Raylib. Let me open up Raylib here. Load. What is it? File. Is there a load? Hold on. Let me just go through the thing. Oh, that's actually a good point. I just noticed. All right. So for starters, we need to get if Ray. Well, first of all, we need to import Raylib. We need to import this library that does everything for us. File exists, and then we do data settings.min. Oops. No. If it's not true, return false, and then I will have this return a bool, just to confirm anything. Semicolons are not necessary, but I do them out of habit because some people nowadays really hate semicolons, and I don't understand it. I'm just glad it's an optional thing, that I can do it. There are languages that you actually just flat out can't. Alright, so if the file exists, then that means I need to make sure I have all of the. There it is. This is the one I'm looking for. So, file name C-string, bytes read. All right. Bytes. What was it? It was a U32. Oops. All right. So now low. Oh wait. And it is a pointer to U8. Oop. I didn't copy it. I thought I did. So data settings.bin bytes. Alright, so we have settings file now, but we can't. Can we directly convert? Is it possible to directly convert? Let's just make sure this compiles. Ooh, fucking. Undeclared name load file. Oh wait, yeah, that's right. Oh, missing return statement. There we go. Now everything should work. All right. I'm just gonna test this to see if it works. Will this actually work? I don't know. I'm gonna try. No, I can't do that. So how do I do this? I actually haven't thought about this at all. I haven't needed to load files yet in Monbat. So, well, load non-image files. How do I do this? Well, if I do settings is equal to new setting storage, have that, I now have the file, so if I do settings dot window height is equal to can I do it like this? Settings file I32 I'm literally just putting fucking characters after characters and hoping shit works. Because I have not attempted to do anything like this. A pointer. So I have an idea to test. Let me just grab a core library here. So we get printf. Just do this a couple times. Wait, that's not the one I wanted. So this isn't how it works. You know. Can it No. I can't remember. Brain not working. pointers. Alright. When it has pointers to type, takes the address to its operand, dereferences the pointer's underlying value. So in that case, I could do it like I don't need to have multiple, do I? No, I don't. Oh, that's. It would be useful if. Did I just close Remedy? Yes, I did. Fun. Init settings. Don't need to worry about that right now. Start again. Because I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Alright. Missing argument. Okay. And that should be true. Okay. That's how that works. And I can't do it like this, can I? Yeah. But can I do it like this? If I do this, let me just do this so that I can actually can I convert the raw data into settings file is a U8 array where the total number is bytes. Can I convert it like this? I feel like I shouldn't be able to, but constant integer. Okay. And this wouldn't work. It's not a type. Okay, so that doesn't work exactly. What do I do here? See, and the thing is, there is no pointer math, so I can't increment through this. Let me move this up here. Let me just, and also put a note saying to do. Oh wait, no. Not there. Here. No. Actually, yeah. I'll put it here. Why did it do that? I'm gonna have them initialize the base values first. So I get the bytes. This doesn't work. Trying to figure out how I can do this because I didn't even think about this. This is something that I should have thought about ahead of time because I knew I was going to be doing this first. And I can't do something like I can't set settings to I can't do that. What if I cannot index? Oh, fucking just let me have the errors that are currently important to me right now. Cannot wait. 2613. Cannot dereference. Oh, I see what it's talking about. What if I do it like this? Dereference it, convert it, and then give me the pointer to it. Can I cast raw data pointer as setting storage from U8? I'm just gonna look it up, see if I can find anything. Like there's a way I know I can do this, but it's just it feels kind of hacky. Like I shouldn't be doing it this way specifically. But I mean, I'll do it like this, I guess. This is also one of my favorite parts of Odin, is that it's a more low-level language, but it also has lists. What? 37 cannot compare expression type int and U32. Oh yeah, because this is U32. There. That's fixed now. Cannot index. Well, it looks like I'm going to be jumping into the core mem library. so I can do pointer math. Because it doesn't have pointer math initially, but it does have pointer math in a library. Pointer offset, pointer. Let me find. Not types. I don't want to know types. I want to know procedures. Pointer. Where are you? P. Pointer offset. Pointer sub. It doesn't say anything. Why does it not say anything? I guess I'm looking at the fucking source. Pointer offset. Huh. Well, let's try this, I guess. I don't really want to, because this definitely feels hacky as fuck. But not much I can do if that's the case. Let me just dereference this and then do PTR offset. Raw data 1. And I'm going to copy this, put it here, do that, and actually cut it from here and put it in between. Undo pointer. Oh, that's right. I didn't do mem. And it works. Let's see if this fucking destroys my computer. Didn't work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's the right number of stuff. But it's not reading them correctly. Unless I fucked something up. No, it should be 0, 5, blank, blank, blank. Huh. So, why is this not working? Am I getting something wrong? Is that not how you use it? Because it doesn't show the function in here. Intrinsics dot pointer offset. We gotta go back to core. Where's intrinsics? There's intrinsics. Find pointer offset. Alright. So oh, okay. I see what's going on here. There we go. So now I just got to translate this into... I gotta... So... a thought occurred. I don't need to do it like this. How I can do it is... let's get settings back into reality. Settings. Dot window height is equal to raw data dereferenced, and let's display that. I'm wondering if that's going to... Okay. It's U32? No, it's I32. Can I do it like this? Yes, apparently I can. But it's not reading it correctly. It's showing me having 0 when it should be 128. This is fucking killing me. If I do this... Why can't I do it like this? It's so fucking stupid. I'm actually stupid for thinking that has a even a remote chance of doing anything positive whatsoever. The question is how do I get the... turn the pointers... How do I turn a pointer into a pointer for something else? Can I cast raw data as an I32 from the thing? For a pointer to be casted to an integer, it must be converted to uint pointer first. So let's try that. Uint pointer. And then I32. Multiple conversions. And that worked. I swear to God if this... It didn't work, but it's on the right track. Calculator. Can I do negatives in this calculator mode? 0, 8, 2, 5, 12. Yes, I can technically. Ah, I see. I see what's going on here. Okay. It converted it to an 8-bit. I mean, an 8-byte. Or 64-bit. Jesus. Is there a U short? Because I need 4. No. do with what I want to do. Ugh. God, I did not expect to be stuck like this. Stuck for nearly, I'll say 30 minutes, because I probably haven't been working on this for the entire time. I was probably talking for half an hour, and then there was like a 5, maybe 10-minute beginning where I was getting ready. Thought. Alright. Let's try packages. 4 packages. You know, it's a crazy thought. I could just not use Raylib for this. Read. Stream. I'm trying to find a way to open stuff. Read pointer? What is this? Reader, raw pointer, byte size. Why can't I move the scroll wheel? Offsets. It's still weird to me that I can't just do something like this. I can't turn... I just do that. It's so weird to me. Like, even if I did this, knowing how big it is, I still couldn't do anything about it. And an assigned value of raw data to type. And I can't do it like this either. All right. I think I might have found something, but we'll see in a second. Oh. I've gotten literally nothing done. It's incredible how little I've gotten done. And I'm going to need to take a break in a couple minutes to eat. Well, she won't stop. She just keeps going. Yeah, no, I don't think I can use this to help me. Is there a file? Is there a different file loading? No. I feel like I'm trying to think. I feel like I've done something like this before, but I... Like, I can use this, and it turns it into bytes, but the question is... Alright, so if I take this, so I know this. Oof. This is 1280. And I know that because of this. Can I bit shift them? That seems stupid. No fucking way this is going to work. I'm just curious to see, because I think this would be funny, if not a little sad. U8 settings data 0. Let's see, so that would be what? 7, 14, 7, 14, 21. No fucking way this is going to work in the slightest, but I'm just curious. Alright, so we have one. No way this works, okay? No way this works. Well, let's just see, just in case. Because this is some fucking wackadoodle horseshit. No fucking way this is gonna work. Okay, it didn't. It didn't. Oh wait, I got it wrong. 14, 7. Still no way this wackadoodle horse shit works. Okay, no, it didn't. God, it would be so fucking stupid if I got it working that way. Ugh. I wonder if this would have anything to do with it. Instead of doing it there, doing it like this. No way it does. But again, I'm throwing shit at the wall to see if anything is sticking at all. This is grade A spaghetti code. I got the numbers in there. The numbers are indeed there. Do I have this? Hold on. What does Oh, I know exactly what I did wrong. This actually could potentially work. I had the numbers backwards. A little Indian and whatnot. I was okay. I'm closer. Okay, 640. Uh, 640. That would be what? Unless, is this what it's saying? I might be genuinely stupid here. If this was the fault and I was just miscounting by 1 or by 2, I'm going to 1 on each one. So, yeah, that was it. I wasn't shifting it far enough. I'm so used to bit 7 being the last bit, thinking, oh, just shift it to the left 7. It's 8 bits. I'm stupid. Ugh. I can't believe that's how I ended up getting this to work. I don't want to do it like that. That's stupid. That is actually stupid. Well, I'm going to take a small break. Actually, I don't know if food is ready. Hold on. No food yet. So, like, this doesn't feel right. This feels bad. Even. There has to be a way. There has to be a way for this to work without having to do all this weird kooky bullshit. Wait a fucking second. Oh, that's not a thing. Hold on. Wait a second. No. That makes me angry. This was all that was stopping me from getting it as a array. Which means this is completely unnecessary now. All that weird pointer math is unnecessary. Because I can literally just go like this instead. And that'll do it. But there's gotta be a way to... There's gotta be a way to do this. I mean, I could just do a thing, but I mean, what's the... Like, I feel like that there's an easy way of doing this and I don't see it. Ugh. I hate it when my inexperience is what frustrates me the most, because there's almost certainly a way of doing this that I don't know about. I don't even need this anymore at all because it's already an array. Like, doing it like this, it gets me what I'm asking for. If I do this twice and increase this by what, 4? 6, 7, and then window width, save. Yeah, that works. I guess I could do something like this. New file, utilities.odin. So we take this procedure, what would it be called? Sorry, I was cleaning my enter key. Let's just say fuse. Fuse U8. Well, actually, if I'm gonna have this as multiple functions, then I'm having it fuse I32. I32 8 array, and then offset U32, and then we just do this. Why did I copy that and not offset? Offset, offset +1. Copy that now, paste, paste, save. And now if I go here, instead of doing this, I can just do few, how do I do, where is it? I know this is a thing, I've done it before. Here it is. Just copy. Oops. There we go. Do that. Undeclared name raw data. What? Fuse raw data 0 build. Okay. Do that. Build undeclared name raw data utilities. I'm stupid. I never copied that. There we go. And now, yep, alright. I mean, I still feel weird about this, but this technically, this works. I can't imagine it has that much of overhead, because it's literally just bit shifting, which is like pretty fucking easy for computers to do. I mean, a Game Boy can do it pretty fast, do it in a couple cycles. But yeah, it's like, fuck. There, done. I'm actually going to, I'll do the, if file doesn't exist, then I need to set these variables here. Oops. What's a good, 1280, 720. And this needs to be done before init window, so that settings dot window width height. I think I have that correct. I might have just done it backwards, but it doesn't really matter. Yep, so I did it backwards. Doesn't really matter. It's just a small fix. There we go. Look at that. It's loaded from the settings now. We got settings working. Cool. It's global. My power, secure. I can delete that. Is there anything else I need to? I can separate this. Yeah, that makes basic sense. Do that. Just separate this stuff so it has more room. Alright, so settings, utilities. I can always just add more to this if I need to do stuff. Ugh. You know what's annoying? I've been streaming for an hour and 30 minutes. I did not just get this when I went up. I got this before I started streaming. It is still cold, but not as cold as it was when I got it. Alright, well, I can set up all this stuff. That's stuff to use for anything. I'm just going to, what is it called? In all my other projects I've had this be its own separate function, along with free like this. But I'm just gonna put them here. So it doesn't need to be on its own. There are other things I need to do here, like raylib dot, is it set FPS? Draw FPS, get FPS, set target FPS. That's what it is. 60. Actually, change of plans. Now, do I need something that big? It doesn't fucking matter. I-32. No, see, the thing is, like, it doesn't... What's the input? I-32. Fuck it. I don't need to do any extra type conversions that I don't want to. Do this. Target FPS. So we have 4, 4. Save. All right. And that works. Or does it? Oh, I know what the fucking... Oh, you know something I didn't do? And this could be a problem. There we go. Don't need to keep it after that. But I also need to do the free settings. So, obviously, there. Unless I get some array, that should be all that I need. Okay, is that it? For now, that is it. Wait, do you not use delete on, What do I do with this? I can't remember, actually. Where is structs? Let's see. Use delete to delete maps. And strings, slices, dynamic arrays. Oh. I'm stupid. It's free. There we go. Oop, that's not the right one. There we go. There was another thing. Where would it be? Set trace log level. This is just for my sanity. And then at the top it should have trace log. Does it have the thing for trace log? Where's the enums? This is also very useful to have just here so I can see them. Trace log and none. There we go. That's not something that needs to be an option. Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. That. There. It would help if I compiled it. There. What? Oh. It needs to be here. There, this should work. No. Are you fucking serious? Actually, you know what? What? Does that not? Fine then. I'll convert it, whatever. Jeez. Okay. So that means I do need to put it before, but I have been on the right track. Pile. There we go. Overthinking things constantly, making more problems for myself. Alright, well. Alright. 97 insertions. Alright. Now, what is the next thing? Next thing, well, next thing is player control. Player control is very important. This is a video game after all. Okay. So, raylib.vector3 position. Now, there are certain things I can do. Like, instead of doing this, where I have to import raylib every single time I want to use this, I could have utilities have its own structure that is just a copy of vector3. I'll just do that. It doesn't, like, save space. Actually, I can save even more space. There. I saved as much space as physically possible. Does this work? Oops. Oh, player. That's right. Undeclared name position. Wow. I've been using this language almost constantly for the past, like, month almost. And I still mess up on basic things. There we go. So that's something I can do. I can just shorthand copy it over so that I don't need to worry about calling it every single fucking time. Do I need... Okay, so other important thing. Where are you, camera 3D? So, camera 3D. Position, we know that. We know target, where the camera is looking. The direction up is. Field of view. And then camera projection. And then I can just do just copy this as well. None of the code is being copied, it's just shorthand. Oh, that doesn't do what I want it to. There. Camera projection, camera 3D. There. Should compile. Yep. Player. Don't need position now. Just have, I need to use some canned air on my keyboard. Alright, so alright. Procedures. Init player. So player make player dot and I gotta copy this over, move that over so I can use it. So position, shit, hold on. Before I go into this, I need to do one thing, and it's raylib dot, what is it? Fucking begin 3D mode. Begin mode 3D. It's a pointer, right? No, it's not. Okay. Do that. Actually, I have a space there because UI will be after that. Does everything still work? Huh. I honestly didn't think it would care. I honestly thought it wouldn't matter. I haven't tried doing that before, and I guess that's my fault for just assuming that it would work like that. Just because they have the same name, it doesn't mean that they would actually be the same thing, but I feel like the compiler should be smart enough to notice that they have the exact same structure. But I guess it doesn't really worry about that, it just worries about where everything is. Which means, I guess, I can just... It doesn't really matter all that much. Just delete this stuff. And just, do that. Oops. Oh wait, make, new. It's new, not make. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh, I know what the problem is. I'm stupid. It's attempting to use player when it doesn't exist yet. There we go. Alright, so player is being created and everything's fine. Cool, cool, cool. I need a way to, like, see what's going on. So, raylib.draw grid. I don't remember. Slices spacing. Okay. 101. Don't see anything. Alright, so using this so that I can actually see what I'm doing. Camera 3D position is equal to, so what is its position? It is going to be raylib.vector3 be 0x 5y and minus 1z. That sounds right. Wait. It's target raylib vector 3 0 0 0. We just do this so that it looks nice. Oh. Doi. Alright. It's not the only things I have to do. I still have to do okay. Up Y FOVY. I'm just gonna put 60 here right now. Projection. Can I just do this? Please tell me I can just do that. Hell yeah. And it looks like it's a decent angle too. Oh. Alright. I'm not going to consider that over yet because I want to have one free player that's all I need for right now. Update player movement. Okay, so how do I do this? Obviously we're going to have, I could just do the simple way of raylib dot is button is key pressed raylib dot keyboard key dot key w do player dot, I can just move this back now. Player dot camera dot position dot z, actually plus equals, we'll say 0.2 for now, and then do the same for target. Ooh, I misspelled movement. Copy, paste, build. I am stupid. Ooh, that's way too fast. Might want to do a 0.02, I mean. It might be too slow, but it's good enough for now. I say that as I change it just to test it out because I'm stupid. That's fine. Alright. WSAD. Actually, for my own sake, reverse those. Oops, not A, not shit. There we go. Build. Ooh, what the fuck? Alright, cool. Movement done. One thing I didn't test. Okay, cool, it just flat out stops it, cool. Alright. Anything else I'm thinking of really quickly? I could implement a zoom. do constants here. No, wait, it's not going to be a constant, is it? I was thinking, so my thought process was I was going to put in the basic logic for locking the screen, but comment it out because I'm not going to be using it yet. But I don't think that's necessary. Well, it can't really do it because the locking of the top and down is going to be entirely based on how big the map is. And the locking of the left, like the looping of the left and right, is going to be based on how big the map is. So I can't really do anything with that right now. I guess I can do this though. Find mouse button, mouse cursor, get mouse ray, get mouse button pressed, mouse X, mouse Y, mouse position, mouse delta, mouse offset, mouse scale, mouse wheel move. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Actually, I don't need to make it a variable if I just have it, plus equals this, and then instead if is greater than now I can do constants. Zoom max, let's say 100. Zoom min 10, I guess. I'm not forgetting anything. I haven't done a 67. Oh yeah, there. Zoom greater than zoom max, do equal to zoom max, and if I can literally just do this but flip around. Oh, did away. Alright. So it needs to be negative, and I shouldn't be able to zoom in that far. So minus, let me change this to 40 and see how that feels. I'm definitely going to need to change these once the map is implemented. Maybe. Ah, but here, okay, hold on. 0.02. Oh wait, this is 5, not 2. Do this, save. But there is something I want to do. Times, it doesn't need to be inside of the thing, but it needs to be times zoom max No, not divided. Field of view divided by zoom max. Because I need to have it that... Ooh, what the... Why did the... Oh. Oops. Yeah, that feels about right. Hold on, let's try this. About 2.5 seconds, maybe? It seems roughly about the same speed. I don't know. It's good enough. That seems good. Seems fine with me. Alright. I'm hungry. I need food. I haven't eaten... I've eaten 2 Pop-Tarts today. Since 9 a.m. That is roughly 7 hours. I think now is a good time for a break. Let me just go check to see if dinner is ready. Because I don't want to just leave if it's not ready, but we'll see. It's still not ready. 1 second. Alright, back. So... Question, can I just do this? Because I did that up here. Can I just do that? Yes, I can. Why didn't I know about this? Probably because I didn't read. A lot of problems would have been solved a lot sooner if I had just read documentation on shit. But I'm me. I can't do that. Yeah. Now, okay. Now here is the question. What do I go to now? I guess I can use this bit of time before I take a break to plan ahead, because I have a lot of different possible directions I could go. I could go to localization, loading all those text strings and getting them into the game. Get that done. I could work on getting the map showing. A question I have not checked yet. Let me look up Raylib. Rage UI. Is there Odin bindings for Rage UI? Or do I have to build it myself? I might have to... build it myself and get these bindings myself, which is possibly annoying. And that would be an entire thing off stream. Let's see, Ray, UI, Odin. Nothing. Alright. What is in these issues? Odin Lang. Okay. What about this? Oh, 4.0. What version of Raylib are we in right now? Oh, 4.0. Is that what version I have currently? Guess I can't really tell. Shut up. Can't really tell. Yeah, I probably will just need to do my own thing, which I can just do after, not during stream. No. Yeah. Although I could always just do my own GUI stuff. Because I mean, even Rage UI, even Raysun says that Rage UI is intended for tools development and it's not intended for games. Which is fair. I mean, it's not like it's difficult to do that stuff. It'll just involve, like... It'll just involve... sorry. I don't know. It'll involve each thing independently checking to see if it's been clicked whenever the mouse clicks, which could be annoying. I think the main thing that will be annoying might be the input boxes. But at the same time, input boxes will be annoying anyway because of Odin. The conversion between Raylib made in C and Odin makes strings a bit annoying to transfer between because Odin has two separate strings types. They have strings and they have C strings. C strings are traditional C-based strings where it's just a literal array of characters, while strings are special structures. Sorry for yawning a lot. Jeez. Let me do that. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Honestly, just making sure I didn't have anything important there. Alright, so localization. I'm getting work done today. Maybe not a lot in the grand scheme, but I got work done. And I've reacquainted myself with arrays in that way because I haven't used arrays loading from Raylib in a while. See, in terms of how long these things are going to take, like, if I do a thing where it's like, I could do it like this, where each of these have like how quick this would take. This would be quick. This would be long. This would be like a middle. This would be long. So the question is where do I want to spend the next good stretch of time on this project? If I do custom made, I would want to be doing it during stream. If I'm doing Rage UI and just binding it, then I can do that off stream, and then I'll have that as a repository for anyone who wants to use it. I think I'll just use Rage UI, at least for now. I don't need anything to look fancy, and it'll just help things go along quicker. That being said, if I'm going to be doing GUI stuff, I think localization first would be the better option. Because if I do localization first, that means I can load all of the strings in, and then they can show on the GUI, rather than have to like do the GUI, do the localization, go back and fix the GUI. Yeah, I think that's fine. Does Rage UI have? It has the ability to do other fonts, right? Not images. Source. Rage UI. Yeah. Plus, I think, could I get this done in roughly? Could I get localization done in roughly an hour? Possibly. Possibly. And I could do it in a better way than what I have done. Because what I did in the previous version, in Andre, it was basically just an array of pointers to strings. And we just use the, basically just assigned numbers to different things. But in this way, if I do it like this, how I'm thinking, I could instead have things just have variable names, which would make things a lot cleaner and a lot more readable in the code. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Now the question is, so I'm doing localization next. So the question is, text, is it not load text file? Load file text. Okay. It doesn't matter though, because it still pumps out a C string. But okay, so it's fine. It pumps it out and turns it into a null terminated array. Alright, well... See, the problem is I don't want to get started on it because I know I'm going to have to leave in a couple minutes. But I guess I can just new file localization Odin. Just do the basic stuffs. Structures. I don't need to make anything. I could do localization struct, and then I can also have core localization struct, and then map localization to separate them out so that changing them will be easier. And then just have core. Oops. Oh wait, I can't do it like that. Oh fuck. That also. I just thought of something. I just remembered something I was thinking about for this project. How we had it before was essentially that each map was its own self-contained thing, but I do want to have it so that it's. I want this game to be easily moddable. I want this game to be moddable. I want to make it very openly moddable. One aspect of that is I want multiple mods to be active at the same time. So because like if, say, somebody makes a new original map, I want someone else to be able to come in and be like, oh, here's some mission trees for this map, or whatever I include. Here's some extra features, and I want people to be able to build off each other with it, like that. You know? With how I had it set up in the old version, you couldn't do that. You would have to copy all of the files into the same folder and hope that it all works. So, I don't even know how I'm going to have modding set up. I do know that Odin has, well, obviously Odin, every C would be able to do this too, but Odin has specific things for loading libraries dynamically. So I'm wondering if what would be better, making a sort of, I don't know, because there's certain aspects I want to do. This is long-term stuff. I gotta put that on my mind for now. Instead, localization is going to be done on a case-by-case basis. The core game is going to be fully localized. Well, fully localized, you know what I mean. And certain things can be loaded. So like for example, load game, options, do that, options, quit. Is there anything else? I guess mods, string, that. During initialization, you gotta go through all the stuff. Now see, knowing how it was to load settings, I know that it would be easier to do this for a string. Because the main problem here was fusing multiple bytes into a singular integer, I32. So the answer, like for strings, it's going to be easier because just fucking grab a reader and have it read out each byte into the string. Once it reaches a new line, just that's it. You're done. Lots of options on doing stuff. I don't know. I really don't know. Well, I do know. God, I'm so fucking... I know this is a random non sequitur, but I really want multiverses to come out. It's 2 days until July. It's probably going to be coming out at the end of July, though. Which means gotta wait even longer. But, I think it's time for me to go eat, though. I will be right back. Alright, I am back. Only to leave for a little while. Yeah. It's time to eat. I'll be back 10 minutes at most, hopefully. Oh. Okay, hold on. I need to fix something. I'll just take the music I'm listening to currently. This is the browser. The live stream I had on here was finally over. Have to keep refreshing it until I can get one without an ad there. Alright. I will be back in 5 to 10 minutes. 20 at most. See you guys then. Alright. Back to work. And got an hour... What is it? Yeah, an hour and 6 minutes left of stream today. So I want to get localization done. I want to get this all set up. So first of all, new file. Oh shit! I need it to be in new folder. Localization. And new file en.bin. And I can just do it like this. It was new game, load game, mods, options, quick. Do that. Okay. I do need to add an option. A setting. Localization. I can just do language. Do I want to have it be an enumeration? I can have it just be an enumeration. Alright. English. I don't remember all the ones I had on the thing. French. Oh. Spanish. German. French. Those are just good, good starting points. I'm sure that'll fucking expand to be... Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't really do much. I just did this and, actually, that was basically all I did. And this. That's annoying. But yeah. It's not like this will eventually balloon to be fucking massive. I'm expecting. Hopefully. I would like that to happen. I like seeing a lot of languages. And actually, I'm going to rename this to just English. Have the full name. Alright, so when initializing HXD, alright, so we have width, height, target FPS, and then this is languages. Well, actually 0 would be correct, I guess. English will be the default, only because that's the only one I can guarantee I can do. Alright, well. Language. Do this. Get them out like this, and then boom. Target FPS 80. Target language .english. Hopefully that works. Localization 22. What? Oh. Why did I do that? That's weird. Ah. That's a good point. Do I want to have a new fuse function, or do I just want to do that? It's a lot simpler. Alright. Well then. Localization is done after settings are loaded, so init localization is equal to new localization, but with a capital L this time. So now we have the thing. I need to have a similar thing with this, except instead actually I need a logging system. I need to do that. I need to make a new logging system. Actually, that's stuff I can all put onto the repository as issues. But we'll get to it eventually. I have this return true. Oh. It is unnecessary for it to have a bool now, since if settings file doesn't exist, it just has automatic settings, which I should also add. I'm going to, as I'm going through this part, I'm going to actually add these as issues. Present. Create a new file when no settings.bin is present. Milestone. Oh, I don't have a milestone set up yet. Submit issue. Let me create this milestone. Create a milestone 0.01.x.
I don't have a due date, but that'll be fine. Not yet, at least. Set this to the milestone. Alright. Alright. Return. Okay. Oh. Alright. There's actually more I need to do here. So, what is it? What would this be called? Lang C string switch settings dot languages. Oh, no, it's just language, singular. Case dot English. Case dot Spanish. Case dot German. Case dot French. That was not how you spell French. Is that all the options? Spanish, German, French? Yeah, for now at least. Lang is equal to, not like that equal to. There's possibly a better way of doing this, but I'm just doing this like this. Data localization. I can't concatenate things like this, can I? It would be neat if I could. Oh. Concatenation is only allowed with constant strings. Okay. I could always have it. No, that's definitely. Is it spaghetti code? I guess it technically isn't. If I do it like, if if file exists, then load, else, whoa, what would it do? Oh, I know what I can do. Like this? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Idea. Like this. Can I do it like this? Was bytes a U32? Yes, U32. Oh. I didn't get rid of that. It works. So basically, if what happens is it checks to see if it's there, and if it is, load the data. If not, break. And then it does this for every single case. There's probably a better way of doing this, but I don't want to jump through hoops with C strings and whatnot. So I'm just gonna do that. And then don't need this anymore. And then have it at the end, if raw data is equal to, what is a I guess it would be an array, fixed array. Okay. This is what I was looking for. If it's equal to nil, there, and then here we do shit with it. So like, first of all, we need to get new game, which is, we need to separate it out into strings. Oof. Well, first, it's file text, right? Yeah. Load file text. Oh, does load file text not take bytes? Alright. That means I don't need the bytes. Cool. Alright, so U8. So we have the U8. So we have the array. Which means now we just do it in order. Core, I know I'm going to need this. Strings. Alright, so builder strings dot builder strings, not oh, that was not strings. Reader strings dot reader. Those are correct. Undeclared name bytes. Oh. Fuck you. There. Okay, good. Alright, so what is the goal here? What, so I need to go through using the reader to pull out the byte and turn it into a thing. Alright, so reader procedures. Reader read. Okay. So. Do I not know how long this is? Is equal to 0. I is less than, hopefully, plus equals 1. So wait a second, do I even need the reader? Because a builder is just, a builder is a literally just a structure around a dynamic U8 buffer. So in theory, I could just be like, if raw data I is equal to new line, do append builder dot buff raw data I. And that should technically work. Len is not supported. Fuck. Offset I can just do int 0. Do that so that the offset is constantly increasing with I, which means when it's done, it'll be... So it goes through this, once it reaches the new line, it reads it, it doesn't do this, but it still goes forward one. And actually, put that in front, cut, paste, break. Leave the loop when we're done with this, so that we take this and we turn this into localization.new game is equal to it's builder to string, isn't it? Is it to string? To string. Cast the builder byte buffer to a string and return it. Is it? Yep, it's just builder. I do want to wrap this in its own function so that it's a lot cleaner. Oh yeah, still don't have len. One, two, three, four, five. I don't want to use. I guess I could do a thing where it's like. Hold on. But would I be able to do that? Because... Oh, wait. Yeah, no. Length int equal to 0. Okay. Instead of this, for I equal to 0, raw data. Can I do this? I don't actually know. Is not equal to if raw data I is equal to new line do length plus equals 1, and I am going to test this out. Do I even have format on here? No, I don't. Illegal character 39 in escape sequence. Can I just not have a thing? Is that not how it's... It's 0. Yeah, len is... okay. Should be fine now, right? Oh, wait. Strings... toString... Now, let's see this thing crash. Oh, it didn't crash, which means it's not in this loop endlessly. Did I ever... That is weird, because that is definitely open with hex editor. You you know what? I'm going to do a quick test because I'm not entirely sure I'm smart. 10. That means it's A. Yeah, right there. D and then A. Because Windows is weird. It's D and then A first. 11, 12, 13. So it's 13, then 10. But it's not like that should matter because... Am I not calling this function? Is that what's happening? No, I am. It is getting called. fmt.printf failed to load localization. I feel like it might be that. Fuck. No? I could do a... new... Okay, so it's not going through it. For some reason it's not reading through it. I equals 1. Hold on. Is it not doing it at all, or is it... It's not doing it at all. I don't get it. It's not this. This is going to kill my computer if I do this. Or not. Oh, wait, it didn't build. T is... What? Oh, fuck. Alright. Let's try a different method. If is equal to 0, do rig. Oops. Leave. 61, 65. Huh. Won't let me do it like that. I guess I could do something like I is less than 1,000 or 10,000, just so it doesn't go over, like it'll, I don't know. It's not doing anything. Is it grabbing the thing? Yes, it is. Oh my fucking god. I'm an actual fucking maroon. I'm a fucking maroon. Dingus. Length 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me fix this code up so that it's not so stupid. Yep. That was the problem. Cool. It isn't doing this part, though. Why is it not doing this part? Why did it take... Oh my god. I seriously did that fucking N. If it is equal to N, you do break, but otherwise you just append. What do? You just append. Oh my god. Nougat. Making progress. If I do 10, does that change anything? No. Interesting. So we have offset. Well, offset isn't doing anything right now. Basically, Oh, I know. This is the length, not the total length. This is the number of lines. There we go. New game. And now if I do this, take this, paste, load game, build, what is it? As destroy, but I just want to reset. Reset builder, and then it's a pointer to the builder. And then we go through the same thing. before I do that. Let's see if this works. Oh. Strings. Alright. Load gum. What? Load gum? And what? Okay. Oh, there's a... Hold on. I do see that there is a better way of doing this. Maybe. Technically, this is the proper way of doing this. Whether it's actually better or not, entirely up to the creator of this language. Is there a... What if I do this? What are you talking about? I'm seeing it right there. Clone safe. What are you talking about? No, I didn't mean clone from. I mean, technically, there's also just a normal clone. That's weird. Okay, that works. That means in, alright, so, free localization, proc, Um. Oops. Okay. So. Array U8, and then we have offset int and strings dot, oh wait, builder strings dot builder string. Okay. Okay, so so what do I do here? The obvious thing is we just copy this essentially, paste this here. So 0 offset length I can just do I is not equal to, well, raw data is not equal to 0, not that, actual 0. Offset plus 1, do break, append onto the builder. Actually, I don't need the builder to be a part of this. I can just put it in here. Array, it's actually array, not raw data. Do this instead of that. Do that instead of this. Return this. Return offset as well. Please tell me that works like that. 97. What? Do I need to do it like this? Can I assign 100? You know what, I'm realizing something. Don't need to do this. If I just do this instead. Dereference that. I must be an integer. It is. What the fuck are you talking about? 102, I must be an integer. It is. What? Oh. I see. Cannot convert untyped value 1 to int from untyped integer. What? I don't need to do that. No. Okay. Well, let's Before I do stuff, clean up. Oh, you don't need to delete builders? It is. I know it is. Something resets builders. Reset, it's... Why do I need to... that's kind of annoying that I need to do an entire... Oh no, Josh has to type builder. Okay, so do this, delete this, copy string, raw data, and then okay, it's working so far. If I do this now, hell yeah, it works. Can delete all this now. Can delete this, because that's not needed anymore. This isn't needed anymore. Just fucking clear cutting this code. Which means I can just easily do this for every single thing. So, mods, options, quit. Mods, options, quit. Look at that. That feels so good. Okay. Build. And this should... Yes. It works. It works. Now it's time to free. So first of all, let me just make sure that's, yep, delete is the right thing. Okay, and now, do I not have a free player? Oh, I do have a free player, I just don't have it active.
Ooh. All right, cool. I am going to, in order for the localization for mods to work, though, I'm going to have to do something like what am I thinking of? I'm going to have it be an array. I don't like how I'm having it, like how it used to be instead of now, because unless we'll see. I can always change things. All right. Okay. That's a lot of work. Let us... It is 5:50, which means I'm 10 minutes off from ending. I'm really happy that I went so long, and I'm still... I definitely got a lot less talkative after I ate, but I feel like you can't blame me for that. Alright, so... Here we are on the thing. We have 4 contributions right now. I don't remember when the last time we pushed was. So we'll see here. 7. Okay, so cool. Very productive day. It definitely would have been more productive if I didn't fuck stuff up. But that is pretty good. That is pretty good. So yeah, if anybody watching wants to see the source code, it is freely available. There's no hiding anything here. Just github.com/cypher/FanGS right now. And yeah. If you have any ideas, feel free to post an issue. I'm pretty sure it is just publicly available to do that. And if it's something I want to do, I'll leave it up. If it's something I don't care about, I'll close it. Nobody needs to see it. But yeah. Very productive day. Definitely got shit done. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off stream. I'm going to start working on making bindings for Rage UI. Because I have a very easy way to see like what I need right here. Like I have an example of how to do it properly. So that's not a problem. I just need to do it. So I can start doing that off stream, but I think what we're going to be doing next time on Friday is going to be working on making the map again. Try to make that end up better. But yeah. I'm really happy how this has turned out so far. I'm excited to see where this ends up. These are big things. But, map generation.
milestone, submit new issue. New issue, map loading. Okay. New issue, debug logging. I won't put the bindings here because that'll be its own repository. But is there anything else? Debug logging, map loading, map generation. Title screen. Requires okay. Anything else? Anything that I can think of? For the close by goals, this is good. For the future, just to catch back up to where we were before. Province UI. There you go, province UI. New issue, province clicking. This is a big one, very important. New issue. Honestly, getting to the point where we were before is going to be a lot faster because not only do I know a lot of what I'm already doing, I don't have to recreate lists again. Lists already exist, which is great. It's great news. Province borders. Is there anything else I can think of? I think that's it for now. We'll see how modding can work in the future because I don't know if I have the skills available to make a like semi-scripting type of thing like EU4 does. I know one thing I definitely want to have the ability to do, and it's not safe. It's not safe by a long shot, but I mean, this is open source software. It's not going to be safe. People are going to pick it apart piece by piece. I do want to have it that you can make DLLs, make fucking libraries, and then the game can dynamically load them. Because there are... where is it? Here. Can dynamically load shit. I don't know, I haven't used it exactly, so I don't know exactly how everything works. I don't know if it even works. But, I will try and see if that's something I can do. We'll see. I have ideas of how it could work. essentially it's a very object-oriented way of thinking of them. Dynamically loading the libraries and then just going through them and doing certain types of functions. We'll see how it works. It's going to be a long way before I even start to think about doing that stuff, and way before then I'll have tested stuff, hopefully. Well, we'll see. But yeah, lots of work done. The final count today is 14 contributions. That's counting all the issues I created and all the commits. So yeah, this has been great. This has been a great session. Thank you guys for watching. It's been fun. I will see you guys at the very least Friday, possibly tomorrow, depending on how I feel at the end of the day. The main reason I've been not streaming as much is because I've been tired. And I didn't want to work, because I had the old idea of not working on this game on stream until I was back to where I was. So, because at 2, I'm not tired enough to like hold stream off because I'm tired. But at 9 p.m. I definitely am. Oops. Oh fuck, my phone. Sorry, my alarm's going off, so I wanted to fix it. But yeah. I am going to be streaming again on Friday. But I may stream tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.